Welcome to DESI ASTRO. In this Python for Astronomy and Astrophysics tutorial using Astropy library, our objective is to learn that how to mask a pixel in a fits image. Alright, so pixel masking in fits image implies that it is a process of identifying and marking certain pixels above a certain threshold value of the intensity, and like once you mask these pixels they cannot be used for your further analysis of the image. Okay, and this like masking can be used like various stages of the photometric analysis of the data, such as photometry and image calibration, image combination, and removing cosmic ray, etc. Here you can see that our fits image from the patch of the sky, and here you can see that here the white color represents that the pixel has been masked. Okay, so we have applied a certain threshold of the intensity values, and we have excluded from the data analysis part of this image photometry, right? So let's see how to do this masking from a certain threshold intensity values of a pixel using Astropy and matplotlib. So let's do it, right? So here you can see that I have a fits image of the galaxy and a star. So it is the region of a sky cutout of the sky image, right? So here you can see the stars and galaxy. So here you can see that like the intensity values goes from like on the log scale over a wide range. So what we have done, we have like chosen a certain threshold, a value of the pixel intensity, and above which we have marked the pixel as a mask. So you can see mostly the center of this object has been masked. Okay, so select center has the brightest intensity values of the pixel. Okay, so and the green portion has been not been masked. Okay, so we have masked only the higher pixel values. Okay, so the same stuff we have to do it using Astropy and matplotlib. Okay, so here you can see that the central pixel of all the stars and galaxy has been masked. Okay, so let's do it using Python coding stuff. All right, so for that I will import some libraries. So import libraries. So I will import Astropy. So from astropy.io import fits, right? So this will I use to delete fits file, and then I will read my fits file. Okay, so read fits image file and data. Okay, image file and data, right? So here I can give my image data equal to fits.open. Okay, and I can give my file name, right? And then I can give 0 for your primary entry, right? And then I will give attribute dot data. Okay, so here 0 for 0 for your primary image SDU data, right? So this will contain some data, so you can check it that your data has this dimension of 500 into 1100, right? Now I will plot this image. Okay, so for plotting I will import a library here, matplotlib. So import matplotlib dot dot pipe plot as PLT, right? And I can also import numpy if needed, so import numpy as np, right? Now I will plot this image. Okay, so plot this image, right? So I will type here plt dot im show, and then I will give my image data, right? Image data, and I will also take this image on the log scale. Okay, so np dot log 10 to visualize this image, right? Then I will type here plt dot show, right? So here you can see that I have the galaxy image, okay, and the stars image from the feeds file, right? Now this is the first step. Now I will create the masking threshold for the pixel intensity, right? So for that I will go here and I will create mask array. Okay, so for that I will define a say a threshold, okay, or say threshold. So define threshold, right? So threshold you can define as a say that I want to mask all pixel above 0.5, right? So and okay, so here you can see that if you plot your color bar, so plt dot color bar, so here you can see that your intensity values varies from this range. Okay, so you can mask all pixels above 0.5, right? So this is my threshold for pixel intensity value, right? Now I will give condition. Okay, so give give condition. So I can give condition equal to say like mask array and equal to I will say my image data. My image data should be greater than the threshold. Okay, so threshold, right? This is my condition. Now what I will do, I will apply mask to the image. Okay, so now apply mask to your feeds image, right? So I will create here mask the image, right? Masked image dot data, right? And then I will define as a np dot ma dot masked array, right? So masked array, masked array, and give function, right? Then give your image data, and then give your mask condition, right? So here you can see that. So if you print here mask image data dot shape, so it is the same shape as your image. Okay, so we have like initialize the mask. Now I will what I will do, I will plot this image. Okay, so now plot mask image, right? So type here plt dot plot plt dot image show, plt dot im show, and give here masked image data, right? And take it on the log scale. So np dot log 10 and type here plt dot show Okay, let me put a color bar also. So plt dot color bar, right? So here you can see that now above your 0.5 pixel from here, everything has been masked. Okay, so here you can see that there is no 0.5 in your pixel value. Okay, so I will do your one thing, like I will zoom this plot to visualize in a more uh, beautiful way. So add a command here, it's called magic command, mat plot leaf widget, and then you can type here plt.figure, plt.figure, and also here plt.figure, right? And run the code once again. Okay, so here you can see that I have got some zoom interactive button. So if you zoom that person, okay, so here you can see that the everywhere my cursor is going, it is showing some values. Okay, and when I'm going to the center, I mean the white region, it is showing nothing. It means that my pixels in this region have been masked. I mean these pixels have value higher than your I mean the threshold. Okay, so this way you can mask your pixel. Okay, you can also look for the more images. So here you can see that. So here also been masked, right? So if you go on the white region, your all pixels have been masked. Okay, you can zoom, you can see the pixel, right? You can see this pixel has value minus 0.36 and this pixel has nothing. So this pixel has been white. Okay, they have been completely masked, so they will not be included in the your further photometry or data analysis. Okay, right? So you can also do this stuff, right? So I hope you got the idea that how to mask a pixel above a certain threshold. Okay, you can also like now put condition reverse. Let's see what is happening. So see, this time the outer region of the image has been masked. Okay, so the lower threshold, so we'll just put higher threshold. This is how the masking of the image, masking the pixel look like. Okay, right? This way you can do the stuff. So thank you.